All right, guys, it is May 12th, the day after the frame drop. We got all these frames to box up. Just like to say thank you to everybody that bought a frame. Thank you to everybody that tried to buy a frame. Had a great night last night. Sold a couple t-shirts too. There's t-shirts on the site if you guys want to go over and support the channel. What do you got there, Ben? Fiber tape?
I just laying some 2-inch fiber tape, extra sticky, extra strong. Make sure these packages get to their destination safe. You realize there's going to be people from little kids to old ladies just ripping mini trikes now?
There was a good amount of people said that they had kids wanting to rip mini trikes. What the heck is going on over here?
Oh.
Steve looks like one of those guys from like India that's like carries something real heavy on their head. Well, a bubble wrap, Steve. Not that much money.
Yeah, ridiculously, like, not that much money for air.
Yeah, I was going to say, most of that's air.
If any of the lucky 10 have any kids, they're going to be in heaven with this stuff.
Heard there's fresh pot of coffee back there.
There always is. Ben doesn't put it on.
Oh.
I come in dry.
Figure who's gonna be the first guy to buy a Viper now?
A Viper?
Like a Dodge Viper.
Oh.
Like the pit Vipers. It's always been my car I wanted, but never happened yet. One of these days. I heard when I sell my 12th trike frame, they're gonna get me a Dodge Viper.
Gen 1 or the Gen 2? Or Gen 3?
16th scale. There's a GTS blue with the white stripe,
yeah.
with the spare tire in the back, it's all cranked out. They're like 100 grand now if you find
those
one that's
are
like
the
unmolested.
ones, yeah.
Game plan wise, if you could get whatever document you want, whatever, we need to get the Facebook group set up real quick so we can get the QR codes we can put in that paperwork.
Yeah.
And then I can get them sealed up and get the old TGV stamp of approval on there.
What do you think one of these weighs, Steve?
Let me take a guess. 175 pounds.
175 pounds?
No.
Yeah. I'm going to say 34.
Let me get a feel. Let me see.
Yeah, it looks heavier than 34.
I'm going to say 41.
41. So everybody says 38.
A little bit over. Oh well. Might need calibrated, you know what I mean?
Have you been lifting all those frames?
Yeah. Oh, that might be, that's what it is right there.
So guys, we've been spending the beginning of the day here getting everything packaged up. I think there's 8 of them I just counted. You guys are going to be getting a little pamphlet with some goodies in it. You'll have to wait and see what you're going to get. Those are coming along sweet. Dave's working on the Facebook group as we speak. So we're going to get everybody added into that Facebook group. The parts list and all the information is going to be going out through that. Again, we'd like to say just a huge thank you to the outpouring of like engagement and just excitement about what was going on. We're super pumped for what's going to come. This is just the beginning, and you guys are all going to be here for the wild ride that's going to be TGV. So we're going to run you guys through exactly how these are going to be shipped out. Steve's going to show you the process, what we're doing to make sure that these frames get to you in one piece. They're not going to be damaged in any way possible. But just let you know what we're doing here, what you're going to get in the box. So I'll let Steve take it away. So this is the last one.
Last one. For a little extra protection so the frame don't punch through the side. Looking down. Go.
And those little ticklers.
Yep. Sit right like that. And we'll tape them down. Just like that.
Nice, so it's not going to move around.
Yeah, wait, stay still. So then, take a couple sheets of this.
Toilet paper.
Yeah, it's a little softer than toilet paper. So we're just going to wrap all this stuff up just so that it's not like smacking against each other and everything in the box. Just a little bit of tape to secure it. And just like that.
Man. Almost like you've done 9 other ones.
Yeah, it might. So then that'll go away like this.
Wow, this fit perfectly in there.
Yep. Bubble wrap in it goes.
Oh yeah, that'll keep it nice and snug in there.
Yeah.
And you are not hasty on that bubble wrap.
Ben said it was cheap.
Yeah, because it's just a bunch of air.
Everywhere in here. That way you're never like within like more than like 15 feet of a dew can, man. Dew can there. Dew can over there. Over there. Up by the shipping cable. Up by the thing up there. I'm telling you, they're everywhere. I'm never within more than 15 feet of a dew.
Just in case you need to deploy one.
Just in case.
All right, so
got any good news?
Yeah, so everything's going good. Ben's got the labels set up. We got our certificates of authenticity. Gotta get you guys to sign it. We got our welcome letter.
Nice.
with the secret code.
Oh, sweet.
Don't want to get anybody get on that, but you do have to be approved to be able to get into the group, builders group.
It's actually a loan to Dave's new boat.
That's right. Speed boat.
Wait, what? I didn't hear that.
Oh, okay.
What? A pretty swanky pen, man.
You
That thing
know.
writes pretty nice.
I bring out nothing but the best for you fellers and for our customers.
I don't think I've ever signed my name this many times in a row. Well, guys, the last piece of the puzzle here, we are signing the certificates of authenticity. All 4 of our signatures on every one of them. Ben's getting a little bit of a hand cramp here.
Nice.
Yeah, it's sweet. Do.
Always.
Sending it off with a do.
Yep. Come on, Mountain Dew. Send me some stuff.
Oh,
Send me some swag,
some
Mountain Dew.
swag. All right, guys, so we're going to be wrapping up the day here a little bit early. Thank you guys again so much. One, for watching all the videos, for tagging along this whole journey. We're going to see what's next, so stay tuned.